Hello there, YouTube, and welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I am so glad that you are here. If you like what you see, feel free to hit that like button and you can subscribe. And I'm going to flip my fan on here because it is really warm in here today. But feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to YouTube channels, so make sure to subscribe to the ones that you like so that way you know when we put new content out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I am so glad that you joined me today. So today is just a short video, a couple of announcements, and I'm also going to show you what I ended up with after a massive, intensive 3-day pressure canning session. So stay tuned to see what that looks like. And on to the announcements. The first one is make sure that you are subscribed and that you come to Tuesday night's live show because I have a very special prize that I am going to be giving away. I came up with this idea thanks to Prepping by Faith. I am going to put together a little basket of needed supplies that every person should have at hand. So this I'm able to go into my closet and put together a really nice gift basket. And this is to celebrate reaching 1,000 subscribers and turning my monetization application in this last week. So thank you to those who have already subscribed, and I'm just so grateful and blessed by each and every one of you. So the second announcement is if you mail Christmas cards out. I know a lot of people don't. I haven't in the past. There are a few I might send some cards out to, but if you send Christmas cards out, send one to my post office box. I am going to be showing those Christmas cards on my live stream the Tuesday before Christmas. Now, I will be very careful not to show personal information, so don't worry about that. I will not show addresses and I will not show names. If you would like for me to tell your name online, just put a little check next to your signature so I know that it's okay for me to say who you are. If you are a content creator and have a YouTube channel, make sure to put your channel name in the Christmas card so I can say your channel name. So I love trading kindness to with other YouTube channels. You all have been so great helping me out. So just make sure if you have a YouTube channel, put your channel name in the card and I will uh, shout out your channel name. You don't have to put a gift or anything like that in the card. Just send me a Christmas card. It's been 4 years since I've gotten a Christmas card in the mail, so I think that would be a really fun idea to do. And also, Tuesday night's live stream is going to be so much fun. I was gifted an entire box of old cookbooks, and I think there might be some magazines and stuff in the box. I have not looked in that box yet. It is still in my car trunk, so I don't give into the temptation of looking in the box before Tuesday night. So I want to go through those with you guys, and we could see what was in the box. This was so much fun. I put an ad on FreeCycle. It's a freecycle.com. You can go, you can place ads, you can look for stuff that people want to get rid of, and it's just a great resource to use. But someone, I had placed an ad the week before asking for cookbooks, and someone messaged me and said yes, they had a whole box in their garage that they've been wanting to donate somewhere, that know where to take them. So I said I would come and pick them up. So I did that the day before Thanksgiving. They are still in my car trunk. I am not going to look in the box until Tuesday night. So we will be surprised together Tuesday night at what's in the box. The box is full. There's a lot of books in there. So I will be really excited to go through those books and plan some recipes to share with you guys from these older cookbooks. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And now for the announcement I have been waiting to give ever since I created this channel. I have been thinking about this idea and wanting to do it, and we are going to do it. We are going to have an old-fashioned Christmas cookie exchange on YouTube. So I am so excited for this. This is an open collaboration. You can do as few or as many videos if you do cooking videos. There is no set schedule for this. There is no signing up. Just if you are doing a cooking video and want to do one of your favorite Christmas cookie or candy recipes, just go ahead and do that video. Tag me in the title, and if you mention my channel, Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry, it will notify me that you have done a cookie exchange recipe video, and I will add you to a playlist so that we're all on that playlist. So this is again an open collaboration. You don't have to do anything except make sure to mention me so that I know you've done a video that you want to add to the collaboration, and let's have some fun exchanging cookie videos and cookie recipes and different candy ideas. So I think this would be a really fun way to bring in the holidays. And if you know of a content creator that is not already subscribed to my channels, tell them about the Christmas cookie exchange collaboration, and send them on over, and we'll make sure that we get them included. And I think that this will be a great way to spend the holidays. So I am so excited for this. So we'll talk about this some more on Tuesday night, and it's just going to be a lot of fun on Fun Tuesday night. So make sure that you come back to the live stream for our gift basket giveaway. So I'm excited to be able to do this. It is something I can do that isn't going to cost me anything except to send the box, and I can afford that cost. So it's going to be a fun night. So I hope to see you all there. And now let's get into the kitchen, and I will show you the final result of my 3-day pressure canning session. Alright guys, here is what a massive 3-day canning project looks like when you are all done. I do still have some chicken in my freezer, but I am just too worn out to get to that right now. But I have 16 jars of ground beef. I have two, four. Let's try this again. I'm trying to count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 jars of absolutely beautiful turkey bone broth. And I have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 jars of turkey, y'all. And I have 2, 4, 6, 7 jars of ugly chicken all canned up. So, yep, this is what a massive canning project looks like when you are all done. And I did use the 4-jar lids on all of them, and I only had 1 jar out of all of this that did not seal, and I think it was the jar because I processed it twice with different lids and different rings on, and it just would not seal. So I think it was actually the threads on the jar itself. The jar was brand new, but I think it was just the way the jar was made that it just would not seal. So that's in the fridge for me to have for my dinner. This was an awful lot of work, but boy, it sure is worth it. I still have to label and date everything. Some of my jars do still have the rings on it because I've not washed the jars yet. I do wash my jars really well before putting them in my pantry, so I surely don't want to attract any critters. But yeah, this was a massive canning project, but boy, I sure am glad that I got it all done. And I do have ground beef cooked, ready to seal in food saver bags to put in the freezer to pull out for stuff. So it was a lot of work, but when you think the turkey was 49 cents a pound. One of my turkeys was free. I did purchase a second turkey while the prices were down because I look for it to be unaffordable after this month is over, and the ground beef and chicken was $1.99 a pound. And man, look at the color on that broth. That broth is absolutely beautiful. This jar is the turkey I did with all of the spices in it. And then I did a turkey with just broth and some butter, and that's this right here. You can tell the difference in the color. I did it that way because I don't know what I'm using the turkey for in the future, and depending on what I use it for, I might not want these spices in my food. So I did one with just some broth and some butter, and that was it. So that was just broth and butter, no salt, no pepper, no anything. So that way I could salt and pepper my whatever dish it is that I'm using it for. But yep, this is how I spent my Thanksgiving. So I hope you all had a blessed holiday. And that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Thanks again so much for spending some time with me today. So yeah, this wasn't a very long video, but a lot of information. Yeah, that was a massive canning project. Ethel is worn out. I'm worn out. I took a nap today. My kitchen is a disaster, and y'all, I don't even care. I'll clean it up probably tomorrow. I'll work on cleaning the rest of my jars, getting them labeled, trying to find a spot to put them all because right now they are all on my dining room table, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with them. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Send people my way who might want to participate in the cookie recipe exchange. And I will see you all hopefully on the next video. Bye.